Looking to take your cycling game to the next level? Whether you're a weekend rider, a daily commuter, or a hardcore cycling enthusiast, the right gadgets can make every ride safer, smarter, and way more fun. From high-tech lights and smart locks to performance trackers and must-have accessories, these bike gadgets are pure genius. In this video, we're showing you 15 of the coolest bike gadgets on Amazon that you need to see. These tools will seriously upgrade your ride and make cycling more enjoyable than ever. ULANZI R099 Super Clamp, the ULANZI R099. Super Clamp is a versatile and high-quality bike gadget priced at just $20, perfect for cyclists, motorbike riders, and content creators. Made from sturdy aluminum alloy with precise CNC anodized finishes, it feels solid and reliable, supporting loads up to 3.3 pounds. Its super clamp fits rods or desktops from 0.59 inches to 2.3 inches, while the 360-degree rotation ball head allows smooth portrait or landscape positioning. The rubberized grips protect your devices and keep them stable. Compact and lightweight, at just 190 grams, it's easy to carry and compatible with cameras, monitors, lights, and microphones. A perfect on-the-go mount. MOYACA Smart Helmet. The ULANZI R099 Super Clamp is a must-have accessory for cyclists and content creators, priced at $54. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy with precise CNC anodized finish, it offers excellent stability and supports loads up to 3.3 pounds. The Super Clamp adjusts from 0.59 inches to 2.3 inches, fitting handlebars, rods, or desktops effortlessly. Its 360-degree rotation ball head allows smooth portrait and landscape positioning, while rubber grips protect devices and enhance stability. Compact and lightweight at 190 grams, it's easy to carry and perfect for cameras, lights, monitors, or microphones, making it ideal for outdoor filming on the go. Trek CarBack Bike Radar. The Trek CarBack Bike Radar combines a powerful rear light with radar-based vehicle detection, giving riders an extra layer of awareness and visibility. Its radar detects vehicles approaching from behind up to 240 meters away, while the integrated rear light, visible up to 2 kilometers in daytime, helps ensure you're seen by others. CarBack pairs via ANT Plus or Bluetooth with cycling GPS units or a smartphone via the Trek accessory app, delivering both visual and audio alerts. With a compact, waterproof build, quick mount seat post system, and rechargeable USB-C battery, it's a smart upgrade for any commuter or road rider seeking more confidence on busy roads. Coospo AP-B1. The Coospo AP-B1 is a compact, rechargeable mini electric pump that brings real convenience to cyclists. It reaches up to 120 psi, enough for most road or hybrid bike tires, and features an LCD screen that shows both real-time pressure and preset target, allowing precise inflation. Its 2-in-1 flexible hose works with both Presta and Schrader valves, and it even includes a ball inflation adapter, making it versatile beyond just bike tires. The pump is lightweight, about 130 grams, portable enough for a saddlebag or jersey pocket, and comes with auto stop and overheat protection, handy for roadside tire fixes. On the downside, inflation can be somewhat noisy, and some users reported the LED light is dim. Overall, AP-B1 is a practical, dependable inflator, a smart alternative to CO2 cartridges or manual pumps for everyday riding. Wsdcam Bike Alarm. The Wsdcam Bike Alarm is a compact and reliable security gadget for bikes, e-bikes, motorcycles, and scooters, priced at just $19. Its vibration sensor features 7 adjustable sensitivity levels and 3 volume settings, ensuring you get alerted to any tampering. With IP55 waterproof protection, it stands up to rain and outdoor conditions. The wireless remote offers a strong 66-foot range, and the built-in vehicle search function lets you locate your ride quickly using 3 different bell tones. Thanks to advanced sensor technology, efficient battery usage, and solid construction, the Wsdcam alarm delivers performance that exceeds industry standards. Bike Handlebar Extender. The Bike Handlebar Extender is a versatile gadget priced at $20, perfect for cyclists who need extra space and functionality on their rides. Made from durable aluminum alloy with corrosion-resistant screws and clamps, it's built to last and withstand outdoor conditions. The extender adds room for lights, GPS devices, speedometers, or smartphone racks, keeping essential gear within easy reach. It also features a USB charging port, letting you power devices on the go while keeping the charging port sealed against rain. Compatible with most handlebars, 22 to 31.8 millimeters, it's easy to install and makes a practical gift for any cyclist. Bike Seat Cover. The 3D Air Replaceable Bike Seat Cushion is a game changer for cycling comfort, priced at $37. Designed with 7 plump airbags and advanced air convection technology, it absorbs shocks and reduces stress on your buttocks, making long rides far more enjoyable. Its enhanced ventilation keeps you cool and dry while protecting sensitive areas. Installation is simple thanks to non-slip particles and wing-shaped Velcro straps, ensuring the cushion stays securely in place. Compatible with most bikes, from road and mountain bikes to e-bikes and stationary bikes, it's an ergonomic solution, ideal for men, women, seniors, or anyone seeking a pain-free ride. Topeak SmartGauge D2. The Topeak SmartGauge D2 is a high-precision digital bike gadget priced at $40, ideal for cyclists and motorcyclists who demand accuracy. Its dual-valve smart head works seamlessly with Presta and Schrader valves, eliminating the need for adapters. The gauge measures up to 250 psi, 17 bar, with professional-level precision, making it suitable for tires, suspension forks, and rear shocks. The easy-to-read LCD displays readings in psi, bar, or kilogram per square centimeter, and the compact, lightweight design, 65 grams, makes it perfect for travel or workshop use. With a 360-degree rotating head, air release button, and durable polymer construction, it's a reliable tool for fine-tuning tire pressure. CYBERSIGHT HUD Glasses. The CYBERSIGHT HUD Glasses bring a futuristic twist to cycling. Real-time metrics, speed, heart rate, cadence, power, navigation, are projected directly in your line of sight, so you never have to glance down at a phone or bike computer. With lightweight construction, approximately 39 grams, and comfortable, sporty design, they're easy to wear even on long rides. They also enhance road safety. When synced with compatible gear, smart helmets or radar lights, you receive turn signal and rear vehicle alerts directly on the HUD. Connectivity is broad: sensors, bike computers, or smartphones, allowing you to customize the data you see. Overall, CYBERSIGHT HUD glasses feel like a high-tech upgrade for serious cyclists who want information, convenience, and awareness in one sleek package. VabsRider. VabsRider isn't just another saddle. It's a dynamic, split-seat system designed to move with your body. As you pedal, each half of the seat pivots independently along a virtual axis, aligning with your natural hip and leg motion. These shifts pressure away from sensitive sit bones toward more muscular regions, reducing numbness and discomfort even on long rides. The seat is adjustable for angle, width, and fit, making it suitable for many body types and bike styles. For anyone plagued by saddle soreness or who wants to cycle longer in comfort, VabsRider represents a smart and forward-thinking upgrade. Bike Rear View Mirror. The Bike Rear View Mirror with camera is a high-tech bike gadget priced at $70, designed to dramatically improve cycling safety. Its 4.3-inch HD display provides a clear, wide-angle, 110 degrees view of the road behind, reducing distortion compared to traditional mirrors. Equipped with an AHD 1080p camera and CMOS sensor, it delivers sharp, vivid images both day and night, while adjustable brightness and contrast let you customize the view. Installation is tool-free and quick, with a 360-degree adjustable bracket. Powered by a 5000 mAh battery, It lasts up to 300 minutes and is IP68 waterproof, built to withstand tough weather conditions. Wireless bike computer. The wireless bike computer is a versatile cycling gadget priced at $30, ideal for riders seeking accurate, real-time tracking. Its 2.6-inch LCD screen with manual and auto backlight makes it easy to read speed, distance, and ride stats day or night. Anti-Plus connectivity allows integration with multiple sensors for precise data, while GPX export via the Link S app ensures compatibility with Strava for performance tracking. The complete bundle includes mounts, USB-C cable, and tools, while the IPX7 waterproof rating and auto-stop function enhance convenience and durability. Lightweight and user-friendly, it's a reliable companion for every ride. Lamicall Bike Frame Bag. The Lamicall Bike Frame Bag is a practical and versatile bike gadget priced at $19. Designed for quick installation and removal, it attaches securely to your top tube or stem with a simple 90-degree rotation. Its 1.3-liter capacity easily holds phones, 4.7 to 7 inches, wallets, keys, and chargers, making it perfect for everyday rides or long trips. The sensitive touch window lets you access your phone without removing it, while durable, impact-resistant materials protect your belongings. Fully waterproof with a rain cover, it keeps items safe in any weather. Compact, lightweight, and user-friendly, it's a smart addition to any cyclist's gear. KRSS1 Bike Helmet. The KRSS1 Bike Helmet is a high-tech cycling gadget priced at $100, combining safety, convenience, and entertainment in one sleek design. It features a front 1080p 60 frames per second sports camera, allowing you to capture rides in stunning detail, with support for up to 128GB TF cards. The integrated dual antenna Bluetooth 5.0 system delivers stable, high-quality audio for music or calls, while intelligent voice control adds convenience. Safety is enhanced with brake and fall-detecting lights, turn signals, and high-visibility rear lighting. Made from reinforced PC and polymer foam, it's lightweight, comfortable, and impact-resistant, with magnetic goggles and removable ear protection for versatile, secure riding. Kamingo E-bike Kit. Kamingo delivers a surprisingly smooth conversion experience. Its compact rear motor and handlebar-mounted controller integrate with a 266 watt-hour battery disguised as a water bottle, altogether weighing only 2.3 kilograms. It offers a rated power of 250 watts and up to 750 watts peak, giving enough boost to handle hills and city commutes. Ride modes include standby, classic riding, assist, pedal assist, and cruise, throttle powered, with the latter useful for effortless urban rides. Battery supports up to approximately 90 kilometers per charge, though real-world range may be lower, and the charge is in about 3 hours. The kit's tool-free install and quick attach mechanism make it ideal for those wanting e-bike convenience without buying a new bike.